What if the universe is not what you think? This story follows Einstein's vision of reality. Reality is stranger than intuition. Space is not empty. Time is not absolute. They are woven together. Space and time form spacetime. Spacetime can bend. Mass bends. Italiano gravity is geometry. There is no invisible pulling force. Objects follow curved paths. Light bends near massive stars. Time slows. Near gravity, time slows at high speed. Moving clocks tick slower. There is no universal now. Your present is not mine. Past and future coexist in spacetime. Reality depends on perspective. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are drifting apart. Space itself stretches. It was once hotter and denser, but that may not be the true beginning. Singularities signal broken equations, not necessarily beginnings. Physics has limits. Our knowledge has boundaries. Mystery remains. Matter and energy are the same. E = mc squared. Matter is condensed energy. Empty space isn't empty. Fields exist everywhere. Particles are vibrations in fields. Solid matter is mostly emptiness. Everything is in motion. Stability is an illusion. Reality is dynamic. The universe may be finite, yet without an edge, like the surface of Earth. Travel straight, return home. Finite but unbounded. Geometry defines reality. Space can curve globally. We cannot see the curve directly, but equations reveal it. Mathematics sees deeper than senses. Black holes are real. They warp spacetime infinitely. Event horizons trap light. Inside lies uncertainty. Our theories collapse there. Quantum physics disagrees with relativity. A deeper theory is missing. A unified field theory. Einstein searched for it. It remains unfinished. Most of the universe is invisible. Dark matter shapes galaxies. We detect its gravity, but not its nature. Dark energy accelerates expansion. We don't know what it is. About 95% is unknown. We understand only 5%. Our cosmic knowledge is partial. The mystery dominates. Are physical laws universal? We assume they are, but we cannot prove it everywhere. Laws change with scale. Large scale, relativity, small scale, quantum mechanics, they conflict at extremes. A final theory is missing. Infinity appears in equations. Infinity may not be real. Time might not be fundamental. It may emerge from change. The arrow of time comes from entropy. Fundamental laws are past and future are mathematically equal. Flow of time may be perception. Reality at its core is abstract. It cannot be visualized, only described mathematically. This is the universe through Einstein's lens.